from all continents, cultures, and occupations to exchange ideas, take actions to create lasting change in our communities. This is the promise Rotary has for all of its stakeholders. A distinct concept. Rotary uses diverse perspectives of our 1.4 million members to solve the world's most challenging problems. As you know, we have 7 areas of focus, and Rotarians around the world are working day and night for the humanity and bring lasting change of the communities in need. And last but not the least, a recognizable logo. People become aware of who we are and what we do when members in the clubs constantly and correctly use our logos and our identity. Next. So, as you know that how a strong brand helps your club. You know that McDonald's has created a brand that's recognized worldwide. And because all of its restaurants use the McDonald's brand correctly, they benefit from this recognition too. Similarly, each Rotary and Rotaract club benefits when we all consistently and correctly use Rotary's logos, fonts, colors, and photography to strengthen a brand. So logo is not just the writing and the wheel. It's all about fonts, colors, photography. It's all elements are there, and I'll explain in coming slides that how we build up everything. Next. So how a strong brand helps your club? It expands people's understanding of what Rotary does. It increases membership. Remember, when you have a good perception, you have a promise, you have an emotional connection, people will start looking for you, explore for you. And then if they think that we are emotionally committed, then it increases membership. It helps Rotary get noticed. It inspires current members, member retention, which is very important for every club, for every district. And it helps Rotary expand our reach. Next. Welcome, Ibrahim. Our ARPIC from the zone has also joined with us, joined today, and he's in the session. Rotary International logos. So these are our correct logos. So our master brand is Rotary, a wheel where you can see Rotary and International engraved in it. Then there is a master brand signature simplified, where Rotary is there, and the wheel is also there, but you can't see Rotary and International inside the wheel. So it's a simplified, and it depends where you are printing these logos. And then we have the wheel is called as a mark of excellence. So these are our identities. And now I'll let you know how we use it. Next. That's the next. So example, club, district, and zone logos. So Rotary, wheel, and club of Evanston. And then again, there's the club, Sunrise Kampala Rotary Club. So it depends on how your club is named and called. So you can write the name of the club on upper side of the Rotary and club downside, or Rotary Club of Evanston, it's its downside. So it's all correct. And then district. So Rotary District 3310 or 3272. And then comes the zone, which is zone 811B. So you can write it down. Next. What is important? Why it's important to use the Rotary marks correctly? It's very important. And it's very primary. Protect Rotary's name and intellectual property. Credit and recognize members, clubs, districts, and programs for good work they do. Tell stories. They tell Rotary stories in a consistent. So it's very important. In today's age, where social media and media is increasing very rapidly, storytelling is become a part of building perceptions and good positive perceptions. And when you have the correct images, imagery is very important. And when you have correct images displayed in your stories, it will help you having a lasting memories and lasting recognition. So 4 guiding principles. Next year. 4 guiding principles. Ji, aage chal. Next. 1. Always use a club or district identifier when using the Rotary logo. They must be aligned with Rotary logo. So here you see Rotary Club of Toledo and Alama College Rotary Club. So I will explain that how you make these logos, but these are the guidelines. The 4 guidelines I'm trying to explain first. The next. Now, please remember, never obscure the rotary wheel or use a partial wheel, manipulate with wheel or use wheel as an object. So never please use these rotary wheel with any other imagery. This is incorrect use of rotary wheel. Next. Do not use images or graphics within the Rotary logo. This is also very important. Then remember that these images should not be overshadowed the Rotary actual logo. Next. Retire the previous versions of Rotary logos and all uniquely made club logos. So all previous logos are now the history. So please retire all these logos, and now we have a new logo and the wheel or mark of excellence that is to be used. Next. So this is incorrect use of logos. So now you see that all these are incorrect use of logo. So these images, use of mark of excellence, typography. So these all logos are incorrect. So please now do not use any imagery with the Rotary logo. Next. This is the correct use. So as you see, Sunrise Kampala Rotary Club. And again, it's very important when you are partnering any organization in any project. So you can put the logo beside Rotary logo, but there should be a divider there. So as you have seen that Sunrise Kampala Rotary Club, and then there is a Helping Hands logo. These are the logos, correct display of logos when you're partnering the organizations. And then when district events are there, so district 3310, and then Toastmasters, this is the correct use of the logos. Same Rotracts when they are doing any project for the cause, let's fight against hunger, or a taste aware events done. So all these are correct use of logos. So I will share this presentation with you for your record and memories as well. And we are recording this presentation, and you will also have the video copy of this presentation, this module as well. Next. So resources. So all these resources are available. This brand center .rotary.org. Your logos at glance, voice and visual identity guidelines, Rotary Code of Policies, Learning Center. And if there are any questions, you can email it to team ARPIC@gmail, which is our team, Rotary Pakistan, and even you can email it brand@rotary.org. And all this is very important when you have my Rotary login. So you have to have log into my Rotary and get the access of the Rotary my brand center. So next, Faiz is joined. Has Faiz joined? Okay. Next presentation. Next template is the. I'll just display. Yasir, display the next template of logo lockups, so that everybody should know that how to correctly use the logos. Yasir. PDF template. Yasir, are you sharing PDF template? Okay. G. So we have got your logos at glance. You can see that I've already explained that the club name. We can write it above or below district. Then this is all that you can how to use, and it's very important. The colors for Rotary, Rotractors, and one thing is very important to understand that सिर्फ एक जगह, this one place. Yasir, just zoom in at extreme right. नहीं, okay, your screen is okay. नहीं, आप इधर ही ठीक है. हाँ, इसको ये this is this portion. So only at one place, अगर आप देखें extreme right, where there are 3 grids of website, और यहाँ पे एक right side के ऊपर एक mark of excellence and Rotary Club लिखा हुआ, Rotary Club of Manchester लिखा हुआ है. सिर्फ Facebook के ऊपर when you are making a page, so only use of mark of excellence, and you can write Rotary Club of Manchester or Rotary Club of Karachi, or whatever. Only it is only allowed on Facebook if you don't have any issue. So only, and it's so this grid you will have it. This is also at the brand center. So otherwise, Rotary logo cannot be manipulated. इसको और ऊपर कीजिएगा यासिर sheet को यासिर let's make ऊपर जाए. और अब now you can see that it's Rotractors and district, और इसकी ग्रिड पूरी आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगी. ऊपर जाए और ऊपर जाए, अब और नीचे आए, ठीक है, नीचे आए. So now you can see here that how this logo has been used for the partners and then for the causes. और नीचे आ जाए, ठीक है, और नीचे आ जाए, एंड पे आ जाए. So this is how the grids, जब आप printing करवाते हैं, so it's all the grids and everything is there, and this is a checklist. So you will have this for your record, so that you can, when you're printing it somewhere, you know what is the grid and what are the sizes of and the placements within the logo. ठीक है यासिर. Next, now we will display a video जो कि अब आपको बताएगी कि how to make this logos from the brand center. So the first video, first of all, there's a quiz, one voice one club video, जो कि आप देखिए, and you will just give you a little refreshment that what is the correct use of logo.
Once again, it's time to play One Voice Every Club, a game that tests whether you can identify the correct Rotary logo.
All right, welcome to One Voice Every Club. May the best team win. All right, let's get started. Question 1. Which item uses the correct logo?
The banner.
Oh, try again.
The mug.
Oh, I'm sorry. The correct answer is the website. Now, this club used the logo properly by including their club name with the master brand signature. We don't use that old Rotary wheel anymore, and the Rotary logo is never used as an object, like a bike wheel. All right, next question. Does this poster use the club logo correctly?
Yes, it's correctly branded.
No, I'm sorry. The branding is incorrect. Let's try again.
Yes, it's correctly branded.
You're right, well done. Look how professional that poster is. You can tell that logo was created in our brand center. It uses the club name and Rotary logo in the proper font and color. A quick tip for all of you watching at home, always use your